struggles. Come on, video. Come on. You can do it. Come on, antenna, do your thing. Which one though? Ah, shit, I didn't reset the... I just keep forgetting. It's getting cooler right now. It's 60, maybe 62. Not too bad. Wind is like 9 miles an hour. Totally acceptable. Similar to what it was yesterday. Whoa! Ah, I wish they didn't have the stupid nets and those things. Kind of like using, I mean, not that I'm good at it, but that's the whole point. I wanted to practice and go through the... I think they do come every day to practice. I don't know when the season starts around, so I have no idea. But at least the few times that have been later in the day, since it goes dark or pitch black almost at like 6 or barely after 6 p.m. Anytime that I'm close to like 5, I think that's when they start now, or even before that. So I try to get here 4-ish, kinda, so I don't have to worry about kids being all over the place. And even the playground that's on this side also, it's not as populated. Guessing when people come in from work and have to do the old poop walk with the dogs, I think that's when most people come out and also take the kids out for the playground and stuff, so not too bad. But since I get out of work slightly earlier than normal, so I start really early today, I take advantage. Whoosh. Whoa. At least I'm not dropping the quad as often as I used to. I know famous last words, but either I'm getting more used to it or more cautious, or I don't know. Nice.